guys, in this video we are going to see the top in 50 interview question. First question, okay. So this first question is that merged and sort array. So in that question, what it has means there are two variables. One is called nums1 and nums2, and we need to sort it into non-decreasing order. This non-decreasing order means, example, I'm giving one example here. One example is having, so see that one. I'm having 1 2 3 0 1 2. Okay, so second one is 2 5 6, then the output is 1 2 2 3 4 5 6. This will be come in the number order. Okay, so for that only we are saying as a non-decreasing order. Okay, so there are two variables. After that, on two integer n and m represent the number of elements in the num1 and num2. Okay, so elements means that length we can say that yeah, nums1 how many length that will be stored here, and for num2 that length will be stored in n. So after merging we need to sort in that non-decreasing order. Okay, so this is a final sorting array. So that sort array, that all data we need to store in nums1. Okay, so nums1 is nothing but n plus m. Okay, so then only we can to two length we will get, right? So that we are plusing and m plus n. Okay, so then m element denoted to merged and last n element set to 0, and we need to ignore that now nums2. Okay, so now we can start writing a problem. First of all, create one function here, function called merge sorted array. Okay, in that array we are going to pass two num values. Okay, okay, so we need to pass one nums1, this is one under that length. Okay, so this is num2 and n. Okay, so then we can declare the variable as a, this is for first array equal to m minus 1. So this will be get the last in the length, last index. Okay, so next we can get for second array. This one is n minus 1. This is also get a last index. Okay, so next one is that both we are plusing, right, for storing that new value into nums1 in order wise. So that we need to create one variable num plus yn plus 1 minus 1. Okay, now we can get that last one. So now we need to use while loop here. So while loop, which cases we are using means we do not know what is that ending, right? So here also we do not know what will be the ending, so that we are using that while. So first j equal to 0, j means this one, the second is greater than 0. In first case we are checking that second one only, right? So second one only we are going to merge into nums1. So in that case, after that, in that first array is greater than or equal to 0, and this nums equal to first array greater than, okay, greater than, and the next nums array indexes, you can mention this one as a 2, right? So if greater than 2, then in that sorry, in that new array, right, this one, this nums 1, so nums 1 equal to this merge 1 comma equal to this. Copying and pasting here. After that we need to minus, we are setting value for value, right? So we need to give a minus, then only it will be go to the next one. Okay, so after that I think this is coming like a variable, so we will provide here a variable, and we can pass like a function where merge equal to, now we can run it. Okay, now the cases is coming correctly, right? So now we will see that example for why we are using that var merge. That doubt is coming, right? For this code we are for running, we are checking automatically, we are checking that code, right? In that lead code is checking, so there are some other steps is having, so if you forgot to add that step, then it will be not, it will not work, it will show error. So in that merge, so what we told, we need to use a one merged variable in their solution. Okay, so that now we added, so now output is coming correctly. So what is that we return here, one more time we can go see. Okay, so first of all, in that merged sort array function, I am passing nums array, and that n is the length of the nums1 array, and nums2, and n is the length of the nums2. Okay, so after that we are getting that first and second array and merge array, that last index we are getting for all index we are getting. So first, in while loop we are using purposes, we do not know how many array is going to come. So in that some cases we are not able to predict how many array it will come and how many time it will be execute, that we do not know, right? In that case we need to use while loop. For my cases, in that it is automatically setting a value, right? So for the nums automatically setting, and based on that it is doing, sometimes it will come 5 or 10 or 12, so I'm not able to predict that one, so that I'm using that while. So in that while I'm checking that array second array greater than 0, well means if greater than 0 only, I'm going to merge that nums array value into nums1, right? So if it is not having, then it is not needed. So I'm checking in that while loop. After that I'm checking that first array is greater than 0, and that nums1, that last array is greater than that nums2, I'm checking on it. Suppose in that case what will be the output means, for nums1 is 10 and nums2 is 30. So in that condition I'm checking this one is greater than this, false, right? So it will not come. Suppose if it is less than means, it will become, it will be stored into a new array index. Okay, so in else part I'm if it is not matching, then the second value I am pushing into that new array, then I'm minusing, then only I'm able to get that previous value. So finally this one also minusing for indexing changing, right? So first last index I set, so second index I need to set, so like that. So this is a code, and it is when we see that code, we will think it is a very complicated, but the whole thing is very simple only when we need to put a hard work. Okay, so then only we can able to crack the coding round in that MNC companies. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial as helpful. Have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on next one. Bye.